We are back going to fill our painting of flowers. If you have a new sheet of paper, that's great. Otherwise, if you have the same one that you're working to fill as well, perfect. I also have my water. I have my paint. I already mixed a dark blue and then like a dark purplish blue. I have my size 10 round brush. You can use any brush really. This would probably be best for this one with the technique we're going to use. And once you have everything, we can get started. So today we're going to make some flowers and they look kind of like a cosmos or a hibiscus. So for these flowers, we want to get our brush a little bit more wet, and I will dab my paintbrush in the paint and make sure it's filled with paint. I'm going to put mine right up here by this rose, and really about right here will be the middle. So I'm going to go over this side, press down with my brush, and then I'm going to angle it up and turn and then lift up. And if I wanted it darker on the tips, I would just get more paint on my brush, go in the same spot where I started, press down, turn, and lift up. And now for the rest of the petals, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to work in a circular motion. I'm going to go here, leaving some space in the petals, press down, angle my handle up, turn, and lift up. I'm just going to do the same thing. For this one, I'm going to turn my brush to the right. So I'm going to press down with the bristles, turn the handle, and lift up. Same with this one. Press down, turn, and lift up. I'm going to wash my brush off. I'm going to get some of my more purplish color, fill my brush. And these are fun because you can put them really anywhere. If I wanted them sometimes to fill in my space, I'll put it on the edge of a flower. So I'm going to do that as if the rose were covering this cosmos or hibiscus flower. So I'm going to press down with my bristles, turn, lift up, press down, turn, and lift up. And same over here. So it's kind of filling in. I'm going to do another purple one. I'll do it up here. So I'm going to press down with the bristles, lift the handle, turn, and lift up. I'm going to get a little bit more water for the next petal. I sometimes like when it's a little bit more clear and closer to the inside and then darker on the edge. And sometimes you don't even need to re-wet your paintbrush with paint. And there we go. If I wanted to make the edges a little bit more wavy like a hibiscus, you could add those later. So I'm just going to add some texture to the edge of the petals. And then if you still have some of your brown or dark yellow, or any color really, I'm going to wet my brush with my brown. I'm just going to add some seeds in the middle. I like doing that sometimes, just to give it some texture, make it look a little bit more realistic. I'll do that with this rose as well. All right, there you have it. We have some cosmos and hibiscus flowers. We are slowly working our way filling up our flower painting. Let me know how this went in the comments. Stay tuned for our next flower.